Good morning children. So today we'll continue about the fractions only. How to simplify the mixed fractions. So textbook page number 96 section 3. Section 3. Here 4 sums are the children. Simplification. How to do the simplification, that no, I'll explain one. Along with that example you have to do the remaining sums. Okay. The first one, 7 1 by 4 divided by 2 2 by 3 divided by 9 by 16. Okay, this is the sum. 7 1 by 4 divided by 2 2 by 3 divided by 9 by 16. So here this division after the last two numbers are there, no? That last two numbers we have to write in the reciprocal. Reciprocal means, yes, writing in the reverse order. Numerator as a denominator, denominator as a numerator. That will be comes under the reciprocal. So first we have to change these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay. So now do the solution. 7 1 by 4, copy the same sum, divided by 2 2 by 3 divided by 19 by 16. Put is equal to, now change this into the mixed fraction into the improper fraction children. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1, 29 by 4. Write down 29 by 4 divided by 2 3s are denominator into whole number. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 by 3 divided by 9 by 16. Now write the reciprocal. Convert into reciprocal. So here 29 by 4 and this division symbol is there now. This division symbol write into symbol, multiplication symbol and reverse. 3 by 8 reciprocal. And again this decimal symbol is there no. Decimal we have to write into the multiplication symbol and convert into reciprocal. 16 by 9. Got it? So now here, if it is possible in any table to do the simplification. Yes, last two numbers are possible. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again 8 and 16 also possible. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So write all the numbers again children. 29 into 1 into 2 by 4 into 1 into 3. Again 2 and 4 is possible to do the simplification. Okay. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What the remainder will be? 29 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1 into 3. Do the multiplication. 29 1s are 29 by 2 3s are 6. This is the answer. Okay, first what you have to do? All the mixed fractions you have to convert into improper fraction. After converting into improper fraction, decimal after fraction we have to change into reciprocal. After writing the reciprocal, if it is possible to do the cross division, do the cross division. After doing the cross division, what are the leftover numbers are there, that all the leftover numbers in the numerator side and denominator side have to write the leftover numbers and do the multiplication, then will be get the answer. Okay, so this is about the first sum. Copy it neatly children. Next, I am going to explain D1. B and C, the two you have to do as a homework. Okay. Now B. D1, 4 are there. How many sums, how many fractions it may be, but the method is same children. D. 3 1 by 3 into 4 1 by 2 divided by 1 1 by 2 into 2 1 by 5. Okay, so like that multiplications are there in the middle. First, write the same number. 3 1 by 3 into 4 1 by 2 divided by 1 1 by 2 into 2 1 by 5. Okay, now change this missing fraction into improper fraction. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10 by 3 into 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 2 divided by 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Okay, now is there any possibility to do the cross division? One, check the first sum, children. Yes, in 2 table 10 is possible to divide, in 3 table 9 is possible to divide. Okay, so now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Remainder will be 5 by 1 into 3 by 1 divided by 3 by this 2, no, denominator into denominator and numerator into numerator, directly you can multiply. So 33 by 10. How? 3 into 11 by 2 into 5. Okay? After dividing, 5 3s are 15 and 1 1s are 1. 15 by 1 divided by reciprocal we have to take. If you take the reciprocal, it will become 10 by 33 into symbol. Okay, now both can be divided in 3 tables. 3 5s are 15, 3 11s are 33. 5 into 10 into 1 into 11. Answer is 50 by 11. Okay, so like that you can do the simplification of the remaining sums. B and C, these two are homework. Okay.